This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. Happy Friday. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad, September 12th, podcast episode 526. Let's jump right in. I suspect today's action was basically waiting for next week's Fed rate cuts. 25 basis points, 50 basis points, maybe they'll do 100 basis points. But everyone expects it. We'll see. I also have a reader request chart that I will be analyzing for Rocket Labs, ticker symbol RKLB, in a little bit. Let's jump into today's session. I saw that Larry Ellison is back on top. After 48 years starting Oracle, we should bring back Netscape and Pets.com as well, just to make this a time travel market. So I want to go through breadth, but I'm also going to cover context later on in the podcast. But today we had 217 new highs versus 65 new lows, 30% advanced versus 66% declined, 41% below the 50-day, 44% below the 200. The Dow closed down 273 or 0.6%. The NASDAQ down 98 points. NASDAQ was up 98 points or 0.4%. And the S&P was down 3 points or 0.05%. The important thing here is the Dow and the S&P closed at the lows. The NASDAQ did okay, did pretty well. Looking at the mega caps, we continue to see a mixed bag, some doing nothing, some doing great. But as a whole, today was kind of a red session. Taking a look at the complexion of it and context, the leader was Tesla, up 7.3%, very strong. Meta was up 0.6%. Google was up 0.25%. Amazon was down 0.75%. Apple was up 1.75%. Microsoft also up 1.75%. Nvidia a nothing burger. Just all over the map. But taking a quick look at the day's performance, utilities led the way, up 0.4%. Communication services up 0.25%. Tech was up 0.19%. Leading to the downside was healthcare, 1.2%, industrials down 0.93%, basic materials and energy down 0.6%, real estate down 0.5%, financials down also about 0.5%. But taking a look at the week ended,
We can't forget that this is just a small taste of the in-depth analysis that Not Your Advisor provides. They don't just throw numbers at you. They connect the dots, find those hidden trends, and help you understand what's driving the markets.
If you want the full picture, you got to check out the full Not Your Advisor episode.
Don't forget to subscribe to notyouradvisor.com.
And all their premium content. I mean, it's like having a direct line to what's really going on in the market.
It is. It really is. They cut through all the BS and give you the kind of info that you just won't find anywhere else.
Think about this. Investing is all about making decisions that work for you and your goals. You're the one in control.
Not Your Advisor can give you the map, but you choose where you want to go.
And with that empowering thought, we'll sign off. Happy investing.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.